Joshua and the Battle of Jericho. After Moses died, God chose Joshua to lead Israel. God said, "I have given you this land. No one can win against you. I will never leave you." Joshua was told to be strong and to keep God's commandments, and he would be safe. The time came for Joshua to battle the city of Jericho. It was protected by thick walls, but God gave Joshua a special plan for winning the battle, even without weapons. Armed with his faith in God, Joshua marched his army to Jericho. For 6 days, the Israelites marched around the city, blowing trumpets. But on the seventh day, on the seventh march around the city, Joshua commanded his army to shout. The walls of Jericho came tumbling down. The end.